Okay, we're on the back side now of Kabushima. Opposite side, it's a small peninsula basically. Just some more shots of the bird colony. You see them just covering the rocks out there. This whole hillside, it's hard to see through the bush, but the whole hillside is covered with them as well. There's a large rock out there. You can see the fence that protects the area. And some tourists coming down, also adequately armed for seagull territory. And we go further back around to the top of the hill where the temple is. And more seagulls everywhere. They take just about every nook and cranny they can find. Here's the star of the show, black-tailed seagull.